This video uses real EAS tones, and is not to be played over live platforms or broadcasts that are being shown to the public at this time.
The EAS system, the SCP Foundation, and the GCON, Government Containment on Network, have issued an emergency alert for the West Virginia area. SCP-001, the card dealer, has breached containment facilities. If you were playing cards, or have any cards nearby, please dispose of them immediately. Military units will be by to search all residential buildings for cards or other paper material.
I am SCP-001, the card dealer.